everyone, and welcome to Must or Bust. Today it's pretty simple. You saw it on the thumbnail. We're going to compare the new flavor of Coke Zero versus regular Coke. I have my assistant, some guy I just saw walking on the sidewalk. He's going to come help me. We're going to see if it's a must or a bust. You know what's crazy? I got these, and I'm going to pop it up on your screen. I got these Coke Zeros, and I have the Coke, and it's the regular looking Coke packaging. But when I opened it, it had the new beverage in it. So how tricksy, how tricky are you, Coca-Cola? I cannot believe you did that. It's like new Coke all over again. When you just changed it up and you're sticking it in the original packaging and not even telling folks. Right, so what I have here is both drinks. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna have my assistant, he's sitting right over here. This is John. John is gonna hand me one of these drinks, and I'm not gonna know which one it is. So I'm gonna set them down right here, and I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna let John open it, and then he's gonna hand it to me. And I'm gonna taste each one, and then I'm gonna see which is which. So my eyes are closed, no peeking, can't see anything. I'm gonna have to see if he can put it right in my hand. I don't know what it is. You guys see it. Let's see what I got here. Okay, ready to go. Okay. But I don't know, honestly. Let me try this one. There we go. All right, without opening my eyes, I'm gonna guess. The first one, wow, that's close though, man. A lot closer than I thought it would be. So you let the suspense build, just let it build. Keep my eyes closed. All right, the first one I think was regular Coke, and then the second one was Coke Zero. Am I right?
You are correct.
I'm correct, okay. But I gotta tell y'all something. After just tasting, this is the first time I've tried this, where I tasted regular Coke and then the new Coke Zero. They were mighty close in flavor. The thing is, you definitely get the sugar. With this one, it's not the sweetest flavor. It's a little less. It has no sugar. It's zero sugar. But with that new formula, it is very comparable to this. I've been drinking this now for about a week, and they're so close in flavor. It has very little aftertaste and a much better and closer comparison to regular Coca-Cola. That was close though. Look how they even do the letters. It's like it's red cans, but we got black and then we got white, just to mix it up just a little bit. But look how close that is right there. Wow. So, which one do I like better? I'm not gonna really pick one. I just think they're both good. If you want the zero sugar version, you now have a much closer comparison to regular Coca-Cola. So get out and try it and let me know what you think. So I just did a blind taste test. They're both a must. You let me know what you think out there in Showstopper land. Thanks to my friend John over here. He's like, I'll just sit in here with you. I won't do the camera, but he's right over here, I promise. So thank you to John for helping me out with this blind taste test. Thank you guys for watching Must or Bust here on the Showstopper Shows. And I'm about to just drink these now because I got my lunch back here. Oh yeah, I got Subway. Got my sub. Got some chips. I'm about to eat. Talk to y'all later.
Unless the shadows and just document, say it's never just in the end. It's a must. My body's on metal of the road rust. Says no book, give it 7 old buzz. Not divinity. Yeah. With shadows and dust. That's it. Shadows and dust.